rainy and wet day here in Wellington. So we're back here on the XV750 build. Right now I'm just going to do a bunch of maintenance and then just start chipping away and try and get it to run properly. Spark plug, coil leads and cap, little filters from the tank because the tank is full of gunk. I've got a battery for it and putting the front brake lines on. So I've actually kind of already started mocking up the front brake line, but here it is here. And I've got the braided line, comes down and around, and then down to here. Now I've got to fit that today, and then see if this cylinder will work. It is pretty shoddy really. It's not the very best, so I need to fix it and get it done. This is kind of new to me when I picked up the new braided line, and then some banjos. It seems to just have a little O-ring, and then just goes and sits on top of here like this. Nice and easy. And now I have the brake line on, looking all nice and schmick. But I now put in the brake fluid and just need to open my nipple at the bottom here and start bleeding it through. And then I can see if it's got a seized caliper or not, because it's probably got a seized caliper. Bleed nipple was blocked, so just need to clean that out. And now I'm just trying to get the master cylinder to pump something through. I have front brakes. It looks like the caliper is actually working as well. So I'm praying that it's all good, and when I actually get this rolling I can check out and test the front brakes. Battery is in courtesy of Drew. Thank you, bro. Now I'm going to put these in the fuel lines just to catch all the gunk, to try and apply some kind of clean fluid to the carburetors. Let's do that. Alright, there we go. See some fuel in there. So I've got those two bad boys on there now. Lights come on. Ah, we have power now. Don't have to use a jump box. But what I'm going to do now is the next thing in my list before I start trying to get it to fire again. I'm just going to do the plugs and plug wires now. It's part of the maintenance stuff. So I put on, after putting those filter things on, I thought I would try it, getting it going, and it runs. Not very well, but it runs. Yeah! Might be able to take it for a ride today. Got brakes and everything. Alright, well, let's put the spark plugs and stuff in and get that buttoned up. Phew. So my plugs here, this is the new one. Yeah, you just have to flick these top bits off, like so. And then that's where it goes onto, because inside here, you can see where that bit there goes inside. So make sure if you got these ones here, that you take these bad boys here off before you put, because this here won't fit on there properly. Ta-da! So I'm going to do new spark leads as well, because I've got some spark wire here. Alright, now I've got a coil out. It basically just has a little pin inside there. We can see at this end, it just goes in on inside there, and that runs to your one of these. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! New leads on there. I will put this on when I run the wires through. Basically, run this through like that. Pretty basic and easy. Now time to put this little bad boy on. Got my cover on there like that. I stole this cover here from the old lead, and you just screw this bad boy on. It's got like a little bit of a thread in there. Just screw it on. So I'm gonna carry on buttoning this up. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. Let's see if it runs and starts and goes. Alright, so I have got it all back together. Got new plugs, HT lead, check the air filter, those little fuel filters in the lines, new spark plugs. The front brakes look like they're working perfectly fine, which is amazing. So I'm gonna go down the road now and get some fuel to throw in it. I think maybe one of the fuel taps might be blocked or shitty or something like that. It's got a lot of crap in the tank, so let's see how that goes. Just threw some gas in the old girl. So a little update. I'm pretty sure that one of the idle jets or one of the bowls is stuck open, filling up the cylinder. It's actually squirting fuel out of everywhere. Oh, what a pain in the ass that is. So now that I've realized that the carbs are badly overfueling, like they are pouring fuel down, I'm just going to rip into it now, and then I'm going to just take the carbs off and then flip them upside down and try and check the bowls and see what they're doing and see if they're filling up to the right level. Maybe they need adjustment, maybe they're full of shit, who knows. I had to try and do it before it gets dark because I have no lights in this shed. Yeah. I've literally just taken the carburetors out. So I've taken the carbs out because obviously it's overfueling, something's going on, and I've opened them up, and oh, old bikes gotta love them, don't you? See here, I actually pulled this out, and this is a little tag there like it's been repaired before, but it also had a whole lot of corrosion, green corrosion along here, which I was like, oh, green corrosion, oh. Let's see what it looks like. So I removed the bowl, and yeah, there's no movement at all. They are absolutely fuckoed. So yeah, that's supposed to move. That's supposed to float up and down and close off the bowls. That is obviously my major issue of why it's not running. It's just overflowing and it's just flooding the engine. I'm going to try and clean these up and somehow save these, but I think that they're pretty gone. Yeah, let's tear into these and see how bad they really are, shall we? Everything's blocked. I think the only reason why it was running was because it was overflowing with so much fuel. Got my sister's place, all working. I freed it up. The primary jet was completely blocked, so it's pretty crazy, but I've just got this one here as clean as I can so far. Whew, this one looks really good. It's actually not bad at all. No corrosion. It's actually like 100% better. So I'm just going to go through it real quickly, give it a clean out, and then yeah, put it back together and then take it back to the bike, throw it on the bike, and then see if it goes. Woo-wee. Wow, look at this weather. Hey, no wind, sunny, should be out on the bike, right? So yesterday I rebuilt the carbs, didn't really rebuild them, just clean the jets and then clean all the internals of it. It's not really 100%. Now what I did do is I stuck the tank on like so, and I checked my float level. You must check the float level. I actually caught myself out because I was in a rush last night, and I actually put the floats in upside down. Woohoo! Carbs are in, fluid's good. Keep running. she's running. So got my helmet, I'm gonna go for a little ride. Talk to you guys when I get back. I went for a little mission up the road and it runs and it goes up the hill, but it's popping and farting and it definitely has fuel issues. I'm gonna try and give it a little tune up. Yeah, let's see how it goes. Alright, I'm tuning in for the evening and the day. The sun has gone down. It's been a marvellous day. I got to ride up the hill. That was really, really fun, I guess. Popping and farting all the way. It looks like it is dumping fuel out the rear. I had to play with the mixer screws. Didn't really change much. So at this stage, I'm looking at getting another set of carbs or just straight away upgrading the carbs so I can get rid of all that junk on the side there. Tuning it in for now. Thank you for watching, thank you for following along on my adventures. I move into the new place next week. Peace. You.